Hey everybody, Doug Rucker here coming to you from pressurecleaningschool.com and also DougRuckerStore.com, but I'm really coming to you today specifically from the school, pressurecleaningschool.com, to talk to you about an event that we have scheduled for next month. It's October 19th and 20th. This is called the Difference Makers Pressure Washing School. It's not an event. There's no vendors that are going to be here. In fact, from the Doug Rucker Store, we're not even bringing stuff over to sell you. This is really all about teaching. So if you're there and you want to buy stuff from us, we'll be glad to go over to the store and get it for you. But we're not coming in with a bunch of stuff to try to push on you. This is really about teaching folks, new business owners, 3 years and less. We think we've got some things that can really be a difference for you and make a difference in your business, in your families, and in your communities. And so that's what we're going to do. It's $359 per person. Hey, we're only going to keep this to about 20 or 25 people at the most. We don't want it to be really, really big because we want to be able to give that personal touch to each and individual person, make sure we get all questions answered and that type of thing. But we're going to be talking a lot about residential and commercial cleaning. We're going to talk about sales techniques, job pricing, soft washing versus pressure washing. When do you use hot, cold water? When do you use a dedicated pump, which is a lot of people refer to as a soft wash equipment or soft wash rig or whatever. How you can soft wash with a pressure washer. So we'll cover all facets of the equipment and how to use it. We're going to spend some time on identifying surface stains and then your application methods to clean those. Managing customers, property protection. We'll go over some concrete cleaning, chemical mixes and ratios. We'll even have some hands-on training out in the parking lot of the hotel where we're hosting the event at. Gerald's going to do a thing. He's really a master at how to set up on a job site so that you save time on the job site, so that you can get in, get out as fast as possible without compromising the quality of your cleaning. And then, we'll of course just go over a whole bunch more. This is being held at the Country Inn and Suites right here in Humble, Texas. The address for it is 20611 Highway 59 North, Humble, Texas, 77338. You can call them at 281-446-4977 and reserve a room if you're coming in from out of town. They're only $70 per night. We're doing this on a weekend, a Saturday and a Sunday, so that we can help guys that may be doing this part-time and have a regular job. Hopefully they can get the time off and join us for this, but it's going to be a super learning lesson. Again, it's a school. This is not an event. This is not to sell you stuff. Equipment is purely teaching, cleaning techniques and other things that we feel will make a huge difference and be a big difference maker in your business. So go to pressurecleaningschool.com, click on events, get registered, pay, and reserve your spot, because again, it's probably going to fill up because we're only allowing 20 to 25 people attend. Doesn't matter if you're in the Houston area or not. I don't care on this one. Normally, my monthly school, I charge more for people that are in this area, but hey, get signed up. We want to help you make some differences in your business, in your lives, in your families, and in your communities. So pressurecleaningschool.com. This is going to be October 19th and 20th right here in Humble, Texas. $359 to attend. And go to pressurecleaningschool.com and click on events, and you can get registered and signed up. Hope to see y'all here. Have an awesome day. If you have any questions, you can email me at pressurecleaningschool@gmail.com.